Welcome to today's tutorial on ElectricMoves, your go-to destination for mastering the art of Android customization without the need for root access. I'm ElectricMoves, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exhilarating journey. In this comprehensive guide, we'll unravel the intricacies of Android customization, covering everything from adjusting your screen resolution to fine-tuning your screen refresh rate and exploring the myriad of awesome features this application has to offer. But before we delve into the exciting world of Android customization, I have a favor to ask. If you're as pumped as I am about this video, show your support by dropping a comment and hitting that subscribe button. And here's a gentle reminder. Don't skip the ads on this video. It's a small gesture that goes a long way in supporting this channel. Oh, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest content. Alright, enough chit-chat. Let's dive right in. No more wasting time. Let's get straight into the action. For Edu, let's do it. Let's go. First, we'll start by downloading the necessary files and apps. Including the essential Shizuku application and SAM Helper application. Once installed, we'll explore the powerful features of SAM Helper. We'll also show you how to seamlessly grant permissions using Shizuku application, ensuring smooth operation. Such as the ability to customize your screen mode with options like AMOLED Cinema, AMOLED Photo, Basic, Natural, and Vivid. But that's not all. From adjusting your screen refresh rate to optimizing your screen resolution with the help of online tools like the Resolution Calculator, we'll demonstrate each step with clarity and precision. let's not forget about animation speed. We'll guide you through the process of enhancing your device's responsiveness with ease. Experience.
Hi guys, I found interesting card game recently. I play it when I'm bored. This is the Crash game and color game in Tong It's Go. It's easy to play and easy to win. When you play it you can get many Go Stars and you can redeem it in Load. Sodexo Pass are real gifts. When you have enough Go Stars, just press the gift button and you can redeem your Go Stars for prepaid Load. Sodexo Pass are real gifts. This is how your gift button appears. Play 50 games on Tong It's Go or Lucky 9. The gift button will appear. In the meantime, players should have 3 Facebook friends. So what are you waiting for? Download and play Tong It's Go. Click the link in my description. Thank you.